You don't need anything on your face. No makeup, please.
You do, but it's okay. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
Gabriela.
I'm wearing really... Oh, these pants hurt.
I'm just gonna go to bed. You're welcome to, cuddle and fall asleep, but...
I don't do that.
Okay. Physical touch is not her love language.
No, it is, just not with you.
Don't get comfortable.
Someone said, how would you rate your friendship 1 out of 10? Our friendship.
Our friendship?
I'm giving it a solid 1.5.
Really? That's
No.
That's too much.
I'm giving it... Ah!